Well, Seymour, I made it, despite your directions.
Ah, Superintendent Chalmers, welcome.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 83, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Arkansas, Craighead, Crittenden, Cross, Lee, Mississippi, Phillips, Poinsett, and St. Francis. And in the following counties: in Tennessee, Lauderdale, Shelby, and Tipton. And in the following counties: in Mississippi, Coahoma, DeSoto, Tate, and Tunica. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
You know, one thing I should... Excuse me for 1 second.
Of course.
Around Osceola, the hardest portion of rain, the best return bouncing back to the radar site.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for East Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, west central Shelby County in southwest Tennessee until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Horseshoe Lake, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. In addition, a rotating wall cloud was reported by train spotters at 12:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time with this storm. Locations impacted include Omega, Wyandotte, Marion, Crawfordsville, West Memphis, Memphis, East Memphis. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor in a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Is about to the Mississippi River and continuing to make its way to the east at about 50 miles per hour.
Tornado emergency for West Memphis. A tornado warning remains in effect until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Crittenden County. At 12:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located 4 miles southwest of West Memphis, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for West Memphis. This is a particularly dangerous and life-threatening situation. Seek shelter now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, law enforcement. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near West Memphis around 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.